In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and launch an app with Base44 2025, step by step. We'll go from a blank canvas to a live shareable app using Base44's AI and visual tools, and I'll point out best practices along the way. First, open Base44 and start a new project in the editor. You'll see an AI chat interface. Describe the app you want as clearly as possible. The more context you give, the better the initial structure. Include who it's for, the core features, and any must-have screens. For example, build a task management app for small teams where users can create projects, assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress on a Kanban board. You can refine your prompt in a couple of rounds until the outline looks right. Once the AI generates a functional prototype, switch to the drag and drop visual editor to customize the interface. Adjust colors, fonts, and layouts so they match your brand or the feel you're going for. Add components like buttons, input fields, and data tables wherever they're needed. You can keep talking to the AI to make quick changes such as change the main accent color to a deep blue, or add a welcome pop-up for new users. Aim for consistent spacing and readable contrast so your app is easy to navigate. Next, set up functionality and data. In the data section, review the database models that AI created and add any missing ones. Name fields clearly and pick sensible data types to avoid confusion later. Then open the visual workflow editor to define what happens when users interact with your app. For example, when they click Save Task or Mark as Complete. Connect each action to the right data updates and validations so your app behaves reliably. Before you launch, test thoroughly in preview mode. Click through the app like a new user would, try every form and button, and confirm navigation, data entry, and authentication all work as expected. If you can, invite a few beta testers and capture their feedback. In the dashboard settings, fill in your app's name, description, icon, and privacy preferences. Clear, concise details help users understand your app at a glance. When you're ready, publish. Base44 hosts your app automatically, so just hit publish to make it public. Your app will go live at a URL like your appname.base44.com. For a more professional presence, you can connect a custom domain in settings on a paid plan. And that's it. You've created and launched your app with Base44.